Holiday season is done, so make way for 1099 season. And that means getting these forms out to the people who need them so they can do their tax returns. You're required to issue 1099s to vendors and contractors that you've paid at least $600 during the tax year. This can include a wide range of people you do business with: consultants, plumbers, lawyers, writers, designers, even accountants like me. And that $600 amount includes any checks you've written to these vendors, even if they haven't cleared your bank yet. That said, you don't have to send a 1099 to incorporated companies, except for attorneys and landlords. So if you've spent $800 throughout the year at a national office supply store, they don't need a 1099 from you. By the way, you can use sunbiz.org to look up the incorporation status of Florida companies. The two most common versions of the 1099 that you need to consider are the 1099 NEC and the 1099 MISC. The 1099 NEC is for payments made to parties who are subject to self-employment taxes. Contract workers, like writers, designers, and other freelancers, fall under this category. So do attorneys, accountants, and temp workers paid by a staffing firm. Basically, anyone who works for you but is not a paid W-2 employee of your organization must be issued a 1099 NEC. The 1099 MISC is for payments not subject to self-employment taxes. This includes things like rent paid to a landlord, select reimbursements, prizes, and also legal settlements. 1099 forms must be sent out to recipients by January 31st after the tax year, so the recipients can complete their tax returns on time. There is one 30-day extension available, but it's best to meet the deadline if at all possible. If for no other reason than to maintain goodwill with your vendors and contractors. Issuing 1099s can be a monumental task, especially if you're a larger nonprofit with multiple businesses and service transactions. In that case, your best bet is to hire an outsourced accounting firm. There's a lot of paperwork involved in the 1099 process, and time is of the essence. Having a dedicated firm to help you through it, or to handle it completely, takes a huge burden off of your shoulders and gets those 1099s to your vendors and contractors on time.
Thanks for watching Kickin' It with Corinne. To learn more about our nonprofit accounting and business consulting services and watch new episodes when they're released, visit jmco.com/KWC. And don't forget to hit subscribe on our YouTube channel for the latest from James Moore.